iPhone SE2 will be available soon. Finally, the announcement of the release of the long-awaited Special Edition series from Apple is presented. Analyst consulting company Tianfeng Securities Co. Ltd., Guo Minghao, announced the launch of the iPhone SE2 in January 2020. The novelty will appear on store shelves within 2 to 3 months. In addition, some technical nuances became known. Details: Apple is now busy looking for parts suppliers for the iPhone SE2. LG should become a supplier of LCD screens and the manufacturer is already testing its samples. The basis for the production of the iPhone SE2 was taken by the iPhone 11 model along with internal filling. This is an electronic circuit on an Apple A13 chip, which includes a 6-core ARM processor, with a 7nm process technology and 3 GB of RAM. The main memory will have 2 variations, 64 and 128 GB. 4.7 LCD. The external similarity resembles the iPhone 8. Regarding the color scheme, iPhone SE2 will have 3 color options: Classic Silver, Exquisite Space Gray and Red. A small minus to fans of Apple products: 3D Touch technology is not included in the functionality. Estimated cost from $399. Given the sales forecasts of over 30 million units, it is quite interesting to wait for further information releases.